Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a TV off the wall mount that's stuck. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you had a TV that's stuck on the wall mount. How do you actually go ahead and remove it? Now there's two solutions that you may find online. The first solution is that first you can take a tape measure, and usually the reason why your TV is stuck on the wall mount is because the pull cords are jammed. So if the pull cords are jammed, you could actually take a tape measure and fiddle it underneath the TV. And with the prong of the tape measure, you could actually use it as a pull cord and pull it to unlock your TV. Now, in my case, my pull cords were still jammed, even though I tried using the tape measure. So what I decided to use next was a metal hanger. So with this metal hanger, I actually was able to push the prong that keeps my TV locked in place outwards so that it would unlock my TV. So if you have a metal hanger or any metal wiring, this will do. And you basically just go from the side and then you basically push the prong outward so that it unlocks your TV. So this is what worked for me. And I was able to finally get my TV off of its TV mount that was stuck. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.